I wanted to share with you what the Vertex team have recently done with CAT and the fact that CAT have launched this into the public domain. As you can see from the screen, this is a typical parts library purchasing system that uses 2D geometry, and then you can obviously select and put them into your basket. However, they're in the process of launching a 3D capability, which embeds the Vertex viewer into the system. As you can see here, then the entire digger is available for the user to interrogate as they see fit. And selecting a part enables you to put this into the basket and purchase the item required. You can also drill through by hiding certain items so you can drill through the product. The graphics aren't the best at the moment. Vertex are working with CAT to connect directly to their PLM and pull the imagery from there, as opposed to using existing lower grade images. I'd be interested to know what you think.